Alright, this is a quick review on the Ordro EP8 4K gimbal camera. My thoughts on it are that it works pretty good. I think it's suited for people who have kids or pets and want a quick camera to grab and use and have your hands free. The other thing it's good for is taking things apart. If you want a video of taking it apart to help put it back together, I do that all the time with electronics and my truck and all that, so it would work good for that. I don't think it's really an action camera, so I guess it would do alright, but I would use probably a GoPro over this. So I'm going to show how to use the app. The app's kind of a pain. You have to manually do it, so start the app, start the camera, quick press for the Wi-Fi, and then this is the part. You have to go into this, internet, go to the list of connections, push that one, and then it'll ask you a question. It has to do this like every time. I gotta wait for that. So you don't check the box because it won't ask the question again, and then it won't connect. So, and then go back to the app, connect, and that's where it shows your files. That's something else, and there you can see the video is not too bad on it. You would basically just use this to set your shot, see where the camera's looking, and that'd be about all I would use it for. There. So it's got all the settings for Wi-Fi, your resolutions. I just have it on 4K 30, and then the camera part doesn't work that great. I would use a smartphone if I were going to take a picture, but I mean, it's alright, I guess. And then format, and that's what's in there. So I don't know why they had to put that stupid arrow right there where I can't get it. Alright, whatever. So that's how that works. The camera does alright. It's just that it only has a few uses that I can tell. So but they did concentrate on the video and how it works like that, rather than putting a whole bunch of features into it and then the video doesn't work. I've had cameras like that, a couple of them now. So I'm gonna see if I can show the little gimbal moving. I don't know if you can see that. I can kind of see it in the screen. But it does move side to side. So now I'll just show the video. It's just a little clip of where I was today, and it's side by side with a GoPro 8, and they're both on 4K 30.